Well, good morning. How are you this morning? When we have love, life is so much better. When we give love, every man's a brother. When we share love, life is so much better, yeah. You know, God loves you just because you are you. That is the truth. My name is Mike Green, and I'm here to tell you the truth. Hope you have a wonderful day, enjoying the love of Christ and sharing his love for you with other people. God bless you, and don't ever forget he loves you just because you're you. That's the truth.